Friends, if you want to earn money from cryptocurrency, then wait a bite right now because today we will talk about top 10 biggest crypto scam story in which millions of people got trapped and billions of dollars were lost. And at the end of the video, I will tell how you can immediately identify any fake crypto. So before we start, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Like the video if you really want to earn money in crypto. So first is OneCoin scam, year 2014 to 2017. Ruja Ignatova introduced OneCoin and said that it is the competitor of cryptocurrency. After this statement, millions of people invested their money in OneCoin. But the twist was that OneCoin had no blockchain, and suddenly in 2017, all the money disappeared. After this fraud, FBI tried to find Ignatova, but they couldn't find Ignatova. Next is BitConnection scam, year 2016 to 2018. Imagine someone tell you this product gives you 40% return, 50% return and 70% return. BitConnection does the same thing. They increase the token price from $5 to $400. People even investing money by taking loan, but one night the website disappeared and suddenly 3.5 billion disappeared. Next is Plush token, year 2018 to 2019. This crypto was famous in Asian country and token owner often told people that this token will give you VIP return. They even show benefits for people. On the other hand, their BTC and ETH were stolen, and when the scam come to light, they had stolen 2.9 billion by them. Next is Wu token, year 2019 to 2020. When Plush token shut down, Wu token on the other hand repeated the same script. Safety guarantee, great return. But one day all the money vanished and no one could find them, and suddenly 1 billion vanished. Next is Pincoin and iFan. Year 2018, a company named Scam released two coins, Pincoin and iFan, and promised investors that they will give the best return in the world. After this statement, most of the people invested their money in that company, but in the end, the developers made all the money disappear. In total, a scam of $660 billion come to light. Next is CentraTech, year 2017-2018. CentraTech told people that they will issue crypto card, which is better than Visa and MasterCard. They collect 22 million, but the card was not even issued. And SEO filed a case and arrested the owner. And thus another crypto scam got added to the list. Next is Lowpack, year 2018. 4-stage investment plan. Developers saw money in 3 stages. But in the fourth night, the website shut down and the developers disappeared, and with them $3.5 million disappeared too. Next is BitClub Network, year 2014 to 2019. BitConnection did fake mining and collecting 722 million investment. They used to soar profit and they used to fool investors. When FBI make plan to catch Bitcoin owners, they catch 4 owners and immediately shut down the website. Next is the Squid Game token, year 2021. A token based on Netflix famous show The Squid Game was launched. The token's price has increasing rapidly up to $2,800 and the investors profit increasing. Then the developers immediately disappear with all the money, and that leads to a loss of $3.3 million. Next is the fall of FTX, year 2022. FTX was famous for being a great crypto exchange. Its founder Sam Bankman-Fried won the trust of users, but behind the scenes, all the money was transferred to another company, and with one click, $8 billion were destroyed. And after this, in 2023, SBF declared Sam Bankman-Fried guilty. Now let's talk about how to spot fake crypto. First, read the white paper. See if it has clear technical detail, blockchain structure and use cases. Second, check the team and backers. Are the famous founder real? Verify LinkedIn, Twitter profiles. 3. Check the blockchain explores. Track transaction and holding traffic so is real crypto. 4. Token or location and lockup period. When will the team and investor tokens be unlocked? Too many tokens unlocked immediately. Be aware. Fifth, audio report. See report of code audio. Be aware to avoid rug pulls. Sixth, community signal. Read discussion on Reddit, Telegram, Discord. Be aware of overhype and fake bots. Seventh, unreal return promise. Any offer like 100% return in a month and 99% fakes. So guys, these were the top 10 crypto scam stories and 7 way to spot fake crypto before you get lured into getting rich quickly in the crypto world. Make sure to use the checklist. If you like the video, subscribe, like. Let us know in the comments which scam scared you the most.